Be a bad day.
Someone's getting in trouble right now.
My name is Mayan Spaccarelli. I've got a race shop that's run by a bunch of teenagers. They're gonna get it done or drive me insane in the process.
Can you tuck your hair into your jacket? It'd be a bad day. They got burnt off. This is one, then you tighten it here. It should be on your forehead, right above your eye. There you go. Here's your right one. Wait, no, it's your left one. Figure it out. Alright, so I want you to get pretty close. And like I said with Kobe, you want to use your right hand here and put your left hand here, and you can use it as a guide hand, right? So your right hand, its only job is to hold this heavy tool. Your left hand is what does the work of guiding it. But you also want to make sure that you can see pretty closely. So you might have to kind of get your head, get your whole body shape inside here. Here's how I want you to do this in this time as well. Like Toby was trying to go really fast. I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? That's 5 seconds. It seems like it's really slow, but it's letting the puddle wash out and make it flat and look nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and you don't have to go all the way down to the bottom over here if you can't. You can stop, you can add more weld when you reposition if you want to, but pretty simple. The weld is done is right there. If I were you, I would get my body positioned right here because I want my head, I want to be able to see. Put the gun here. I'll use my left hand like this. Vision learning. Looks like this. So my left hand is keeping it stable. I can still see, right? Like some people stand like this, they're behind it, they can't see what they're doing. You gotta get to the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Now my line of sight is there. My left hand is guiding. Nice and easy. So if you want to get your body's position all the way over here.
Dude, thank you, Dane. I think we should take this shock out of here so we don't get splattered all over.
Yeah. See how far that's sticking out? That's almost how much close you gotta be. You almost can't even see what's going on. It sucks. You gotta get really close.
You grab that metal, the grip with the.
That sounded good, but it was only there for a second. Do 5 seconds. I want you to go all the way across it. Just hold it and burn it and let it go. Wait a minute. Here, try this. Okay. Right. There you go. And that one here. Can you see or do you basically just tacked really good tic tacs. But then the welding part is where you're doing it for longer. You're doing it for 4 or 5 seconds.
I think I'm never doing more.
Thank you for your.
You weren't feeling it?
No, that's scary. If I can't see, like, I can barely see what I'm doing.
Well, welding's not for her.
Nope.